All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at NIO. Okay, so if you watched my previous video, okay, on NIO, I told you guys that this is a good buy zone. Okay, this oval right here. If you are looking for like a long-term swing trade, okay, now it's not financial advice, just my opinion based on the charts. And if you look, we almost hit that third bearish price target. Okay, so here on the daily chart, we can see we broke that main support level. Okay. And then we came down to our first bearish price target of 30.52, and then our second bearish price target of 28.58. And we got kind of close to 26.59. Okay. We hit lows of 27.52 before NIO had an amazingly bullish day, filled its daily gap. Okay. Which I tell you guys, daily gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time. It's just a matter of when, right? So they have good basically delivery reports going on right now. Okay, so if you're watching this video before market open and you want to day trade it, okay, with maybe some options, what you could do is I have these two main price levels right here, 32.99 and 33.19. um we basically need to hold those as support. Okay, and above there we're bullish. Okay, so the blue line was my breakout line. This yellow one is that same strong support level from the daily chart. Okay, so that's a pretty strong resistance for us right now. And on the smaller time frames, of 5 minute, this is our breakout level right here, 32.99. So if you wanted to get in NIO, okay, you could wait to see if it dips, falls below, and then comes back and breaks through these resistance levels. Or you can get in and see if we hold these support and stay bullish above there. And you can try to do some day trades on it, and just make sure you get whatever profit you're happy with, and you sell for a profit. And don't hold on to it, waiting for something incredibly massive or anything like that. Okay, you always want to go into it with the plan. Hey, I want 10% on this trade. Hey, I want 20-30% on this trade. Okay, so get that going, and yeah, make some money basically. Okay, if you guys want to trade with us, join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. You can gain access to the admin call outs. Okay, there's not just me, but there's also 3 other admins. And you get all of our analysis, intraday thought process, updates, everything like that. Okay, there's tons of good info in the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, and the link to join will be in the description below, and you can use code Zachly to get yourself a discount on the membership. All right.